Good morning. My name is Myro Halecki. I work at the Long Island Westbury Micro Center store as a knowledge expert. Um, with the proliferation of laptop computers, wireless networking has really gained popularity, and a lot of people are now coming to buy wireless routers. One of the wireless routers that Micro Center sells at a very reasonable price is a Tenda router, as noted over here. It has really good performance, and again, as you can see, the price is reasonable. A lot of people, this router is fairly easy to set up. You can plug it in right out of the box, and a lot of people do that and get good results. But there are questions about router security, setting up the router in general, and people want to know how to do that. Usually what I say is if they have the router working, I instruct them how to connect to the router, which is very easy. All these routers have a default gateway address, and all you have to do once you're connected to the router is open up your browser and HTTP to that address. Let me demonstrate. The router will the default for the router is usually admin. So it'll ask you to log in. And here you go. You're logged in as an admin to the router. As you can see, the first page is really the setup wizard. Once you get that far, you can click on next. It brings up this particular screen. The screen has to do with giving you the ability to take up an IP address, and it's set up for dynamic, which is what you really want to use. Probably a couple of things you want to do is you want to secure your router, so you want to give it a password. So the first thing you should do is go to System Tools, Change Password, put in your old password, which would be admin, and then assign it a new password. Pretty much, something that you normally use that you won't forget. There are also some other fairly easy settings. You pretty much leave everything the way it is. The other thing you should do before exiting the router is actually give your router a name. So you would go to LAN settings, and where it says SSID is where you would put a name for your router. SSID stands for Service Set Identifier, but in general, an SSID is the name of the wireless local area network, or the name of your router. So when you go to use your wireless network and you're looking for various networks that are available, you want to connect to your network, not somebody else's. After that, you apply the changes, and at least some of your basic settings will be saved.